Hey gang, Ryder Dog here. Guess what I got going? Look at this. This is a Christmas banner. Look at this thing. This is so cool. And I can't really show it to you because I'm gonna try to stretch it across here. Just across the hood of my car. See this? I'm gonna just show you this big. It covers the garage door right there. I'm gonna get it put up, and you put it up with these little Velcro strips. These are the non-residual type Velcro strips, and they go on the back of this, and then they attach to the sides of the garage, and it'll hold this on even in a strong wind. And it even has these little bungee straps, so you could actually go inside one of the gaps of each of the panels in the garage door and hook it to the structure on the inside to hold it on. Very cool, and it has these bungee cords that hold that on. But I'm gonna do it with the Velcro. And anyway, it'll be cool. I'll be back. We'll see how it looks when it's done. Stay tuned. And this was sent to me by Brad, so I can do a review for him. I'll be back for that. Okay, guys, Ryder Dog back with you. It's getting ready to get a little dark here. Sun's going down, but I wanted to show you this thing. You ready? Here we go. Boom, there it is. Isn't that cool? Took some bungee cords and some of those, you got those Velcro non-residual straps that go there, and there at the bottom. Isn't that cool? That really, that's a pretty neat little Christmas display. Anyway, neat product, guys. Just wanted to show y'all that. I think it's cool. Ring in the season right with a little banner on your garage door. Very cool.